Welcome back to Chickpea Friday, where I share some fresh inspiration for the can of chickpeas in your pantry. And this is the kind of recipe that you're going to want to prep and keep in your freezer at all times because it is so easy and full of flavor. It's basically chicken tortilla soup, but with chickpeas. You basically throw everything frozen into the slow cooker with some broth, and then right before serving, stir in just a little bit of cream cheese to make it nice and creamy, along with some cilantro and lime juice. Such an easy vegetarian dinner. I can't wait for you to try it. Happy eating! Okay, isn't there just something magical about a dish that feels fancy but only takes 20 minutes? These fennel braised butter beans really have it all. They've got a little tang, a little richness, and a whole lot of comfort. And the secret to balancing all of that creamy, cozy flavor is a splash of Bragg apple cider vinegar. It's got a little zing that really cuts through and makes everything taste brighter. This one is perfect for holiday tables, but it's also great just for like Tuesday nights when you need something nourishing and fast. So if your holidays are feeling like a little much, just try this. It's simple, flavorful, and just really, really good.